trustee will most likely determine that a transaction such as the sale or gifting of an asset is void if they discover that the asset was improperly disposed of in order to prevent creditors benefiting from it. Part of a bankruptcy trustee's job is to ensure that any assets of the bankrupt person are fairly distributed to creditors. If you were to sell an asset just before you went bankrupt, and if you did it in order to keep it from going to your creditors, your trustee can apply to court to have the transaction cancelled. This could result in the asset being seized and sold properly to ensure the proceeds would be split up evenly amongst your creditors. The most common transactions that are reviewed by a trustee are when assets are simply given away, particularly to friends or family. If the trustee finds evidence of such a transaction, not only would it be reversed, but the duration of the bankruptcy may also be extended as a penalty. Transactions can be cancelled if they occurred up to 2 years prior to the bankruptcy for parties that are not related to the bankrupt, and up to 4 years for parties that are related. So if you're considering bankruptcy, even if it's not going to happen for a few years, you should not attempt to hide or dispose of assets unless they are sold for genuine reasons and for proper value. Sham transactions will be found out and penalised. If you're considering bankruptcy and are not sure if a transaction you are about to undertake would fall foul of this rule, you should talk to us on our advice line. Our trained bankruptcy specialists will be able to assist you with your queries based on your personal circumstances and our years of experience dealing with bankruptcy administrations.